Welcome to this amazing video, which will be a game changer for you for your financial life. So, welcome to this amazing video. Make sure you watch this video from starting to end without any skipping and be at a peaceful and a noise-free place so that you can listen to me very carefully and you can understand the concept in a one go. So, let's start this particular and this amazing video, which is all about you. So are you struggling to find the right way to make money online? Are you finding ways to make money online? Are you finding a legit platform which can help you to make money online by using your mobile phone internet so that you can work from home and earn a good amount of money? So this video is for you. Whether you are a student, job person, or a housewife, this video is you. If this video is for you, you can easily earn money by doing this particular thing. So if you want to make money in 2023 or in 2024 or in this particular era, at any point of time, the best way to make money is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the easiest way and the most powerful way for beginners to make money online. And now what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simple model like you join as a mediator and you help to close the sales. Like Amazon and Flipkart do this thing at a very large scale. Like what you have to do, like there is a company which has a product. You have to, they are selling the product and you have to promote their affiliate product link. So if the person buys the particular product from your link, you will get money, you will get commission. So if you want to make money, the very simple way is become affiliate, make the sales, create the revenue, and you will get so much huge amount of money, commission. And the commission is very high when it comes to digital products. While doing affiliate marketing, if you are selling digital products like online packages, online courses, you can earn huge amount of money. So if you want to do affiliate marketing, you just need three things. Like first of all is your mobile phone, and the second is internet, and you have both of the things. That is why you are watching this particular video. And the third thing you need is mindset. If you have a right mindset to work in the right manner, you can earn so much of money, you can build your career. So our mission, we are Skillsbazzar. We are on a mission to make people to become more powerful. We are on a mission to create maximum amount of digital entrepreneurs in India and in worldwide. And we are on a mission to make you financially secure, to make you financially free. Our management, the management of Skillsbazzar is Prince Rajput sir, who is founder and CEO, and Abhishek Rajput sir, who is support team head. They are the backbone of this particular company who have created this particular platform for you to become you a great achiever, to make you a great achiever, to make you a successful person, to help you to make money online. So if you want to make money, the simplest way is to affiliate marketing. And to do affiliate marketing in Skillsbazzar, what you have to do, you have to enroll one of the packages. Like Skillsbazzar offers you some packages. You can enroll any of the package, and if you sell those packages to anyone, if the person buys the package from your affiliate link, you will earn money. Yes, it is as simple as that. So let's understand about the packages. What are you getting in this courses? First package is Elite package, which is just of 599 rupees. In this course, you will are getting Canva Mastery course, English spoken course, affiliate marketing course, and the value of this course is more than 5,000 rupees, and you are just getting at 599 because our mission is to reach tier 2, tier 3 cities and also the villages so that we can make India again the Sone ki Chidiya. Again, the second thing is you will become valuable by learning this valuable course which you are getting in this course. You are not just getting the courses, you will get free 24/7 support if you have any query, any doubt. And the second package is Silver package. In this particular package, you will get video marketing course, Instagram mastery course, attraction marketing course at just 1,299 rupees. At just market value so high, you are getting so affordable price so that you can become successful. And if you buy the Silver package, you will absolutely get the Elite package absolutely free. So much of benefit. And the third package is Gold package. If you buy this package, you will get finance mastery course, public speaking course, and reselling mastery course. And this course is just of 2,999. less than 3,000 rupees. And you will not just get these courses, you will get the silver package and elite package free with this particular course. You will get so much of course in just 3,000 rupees, less than 3,000 rupees, and you will get 24/7 team support. The next and the most powerful best selling product is diamond package. In this you will get Facebook ads, sales mastery course, and communication skill mastery course at just 4,999 rupees, less than 5,000 rupees. And you will not just get this particular course, you will get the silver package, gold package, elite package, all the courses at just 4,999 rupees and 24/7 team support. And the last and the my most favorite package is platinum package. In this package, you will get stock market course, cryptocurrency course, website development course at just 8,999 rupees. The market value of this course is more than 1 lakh rupees, because you are not just getting these powerful courses which will make you which have the potential to make you a millionaire, which have the potential. You can, if you work in the right and relevant manner, you can become a rich person by doing these courses. And you are not just getting these courses, you are also getting the diamond package, gold package, silver package, elite package free with this. And you will also get 24/7 customer support. So this you can say this is a kind of, not exactly a kind of, shows a guarantee of your success. So just enroll in these courses. And now you are getting like, you have just got the thing, you have just got the idea, oh, I am getting so much of value, I will learn so much of skills that make me valuable, that make me unable to make money online. And how will I make money? You have been a question, like the thought will come in your mind, how can I make money? Okay, I got to know about the packages, now I will also enroll in the packages, but how can I earn money? The simple way to earn money from this is to sell these courses to earn commission. And you can not, like if you sell physical product, you can earn 1 to 2% commission, but in this case you will earn 95% of the commission. Let's understand. If you sell the elite package, which is of 5,999 rupees, you will get active income of 420 rupees and passive income of 50 rupees. And now, what is active income? Like you sell a course, a package to anyone, the person who buys from your link, you will get active income. Okay, like Mr. A buys from your link, you will get active income. And if Mr. A sells any package, and Mr. A will earn active income and you will earn the passive income. Like if you sell elite package, you will earn 420 rupees of active income and 50 rupees of passive income. Like you are earning money of the work done by your team. So much of benefits, so much of good things. I know you are very excited. I am also very excited to show you the part. The second thing is the second package, silver package, which is of 12,999. And if you sell this particular package, you will earn active money of 900 rupees and passive income of 110 rupees. The next package is gold package, which is of 2,999 rupees. If you sell this package, you will earn active income of 2,100 rupees, 2,100 rupees, and passive income of 250 rupees. Yes, I know you are very excited. And the best thing is, when it comes to diamond package, the price of the package is 4,999, and you are earning 3,500 rupees as active income and 420 rupees as passive income. And the most powerful package is platinum package. The price is 8,999. If you sell this thing, you can easily earn active income of 6,300 rupees and 765 rupees as a passive income. And like, let's calculate, if you sell this particular elite, the smallest package, daily one package, so you can easily earn 12,000 rupees a month. Like you are investing a penny, like 599, less than 600 rupees, and you can earn 12,000 rupees a month. And it is very easy. You can easily sell any of the packages. We will teach you from scratch. We will make you zero to hero in the affiliate marketing industry. You just have to implement what we are teaching you. Like if you sell this one course daily, you can earn easily 12,000 rupees. If you sell silver package daily, you can easily earn 900 rupees daily. That means you can easily earn 18,000 rupees a month. If you sell one package of gold daily, you can easily earn more than 60,000 rupees a month. If you sell diamond package daily, only one package daily, you can easily earn 1 lakh rupees monthly. And if you sell platinum package daily, one package, or in a monthly basis, you can easily earn more than 1,80,000 rupees in a month. And it is very easy. You just have to do the things where we are talking to you. You just have to implement all the things you are getting taught by online courses as well as in the live trainings. Become valuable by learning the valuable courses. Okay, you are getting so much of thing I have told you. Like if you buy elite, you will get elite. If you get silver, you will get elite with free. If you enroll for gold, you will get silver and elite free. If you enroll for diamond, you will get gold, silver, and elite free. If you get platinum, you will get diamond, gold, silver, and elite free. So much. This amount of investment and this amount of return. So much of ROI. And you will be thinking, it is legal or not? It is absolutely legal, absolutely legit. Let me show you some government certificate. Skillsbazzar is having MSME certification. Skillsbazzar is having Labor Department certification. Skillsbazzar is having GST certification. So it is absolutely government approved company. Your future is absolutely safe. You can work with us on the long term basis and you can make good amount of money and you will earn white money because you will earn money after getting TDS. So this is the best way to make money online. So people often ask me why we should choose Skillsbazzar. There are so many of things. First, you are getting quality skills courses which are made by industry experts, leader of the industries, content marketers, content experts, subject matter expert coaches and mentors, which will make you super powerful. You are getting 24/7 supporting system. You will get Telegram group, WhatsApp group, so that you can be connected with us. If you have any challenge, any query, you can talk to us. We will solve your challenge. We will solve your doubts. You are not getting just pre-recorded course. You are getting live trainings. You can ask question. You will get the answers. You can earn maximum commission of the industry, and you will get free Facebook ad service. Like you customer will come to you. You just have to talk to them. This is the best way to make money online. That is why you should choose Skillsbazzar. You can grab the opportunity whether you are a job person, a student, or housewife. Don't think so much. Don't be hesitated. Don't just have so much of doubt in your mind. Talk to the person who have sent you this link. Talk to them like, I have watched the video. Now show me the part. How I can make money. How I can enroll. Say to them, send your affiliate link. I will join. Make me join and I will make money. And they will help you. We will help you. The Skillsbazzar family will help you to grow, to make you a successful person. You just have to implement all the things. So don't be in a hurry. Don't be in the consciousness of the negative things. Don't think I don't have money, I don't have time, this and that. No, just take action because this is the right time to take action. Otherwise the course prices will hike very soon. Join now to become successful. I have told you the best possible way available in the market. Just enroll now, talk to the person, ask for the affiliate link, join now and keep learning, keep growing. God bless you. Thank you so much. Join Skillsbazzar now.